Hello everyone, myself Ketki Rao. My second task is prediction using unsupervised ML. Unsupervised ML has no label data. No label data means it doesn't has any sequence of the data. So here is my program. I am using K-means clustering and my data set is Eris. And my task name is prediction using unsupervised ML, unsupervised machine learning. So here I first import the libraries NumPy, Matplotlib, Pandas, Sklearn. Sklearn means Skyscit-learn. Skyscit-learn import the dataset which are very huge and which are not mentioned in the internet. So it can be import the dataset as CSV file and other types of file. It has many features. So here I have import the libraries. After importing the libraries, I have loaded the dataset. For loading the dataset, I have used datasets.load underscore IDs, means a name of the dataset. To calculate the data frame, to specify what is the data frame, here are the functions. One of the most important function I have used, that is df.head. This function used to specify the columns or how many datasets can be visualized by 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 the functions. Head means it will show the top topmost datasets. Means if we write 5, then it will show first 5 datasets, and if we write 10, then it will show the first 10 datasets. After loading the data, I have shaped the data. That means it can say that we have 150 rows in single data sets and 4 columns. Then I have described the data using df.describe. Then I have summed the data using df.isNull. After loading and describing the data, I have applied the K-means classification. K-means classification, K-means clustering is an algorithm used in unsupervised learning, which convert the non-label data into label data and specifies into various values. So this is the coding. This is the structure of K-means classification. After applying K-means classification, I have plotted the line graph using elbow method. Elbow method is one of the method used to plot the graph according to its sequence. For plotting the graph, I have used plot function. Then I have used title to give the method name, and then I have labeled the x-axis as the number of clusters and the y-axis as VCSs. VCSs means within cluster sum of squares. A group of clusters coming together, and after coming together, we are summing up the clusters into square method. Means we are squaring up the clusters, and then we have printed the final output. Means we have shown the graph. After plotting the graph, we have created K-means classifier. Means we have fitted the K-means clustering model, and then we have started predicting the values. After prediction and fitting the model, we have visualized clusters into column. Visualizing cluster into columns means I have used scattered function. Scattered functions allows to locate the x-axis and y-axis, uh, x-axis and y-axis into the predictive way. We can give the value. We can scatter the the various data values into graphical format. Here I have used the three label data, that is iris setosa, iris versicolor, and iris virginica. These are the three label data. After labeling and visualizing the data, after labeling and visualizing the data, we have plotted the centroids of the clusters. For centroids of the cluster, I have used the legend function, and here are the centroids the where the particular values are being the center point of the given data. Thank you so much.